John, hello there. You might not think that normally lack of rain is a cause for complaint in Cornwall, but one of the things that really leaps out of the statistics when you look back at the winter as a whole is just how dry it's been across many parts of England and Wales. England and Wales as a whole has seen 60% of the long-term average rainfall, but across southern England we haven't seen much more than half the normal average, making it actually the driest winter since that notorious cold winter, of course, of 62-63. Now, it's winter rainfall that goes to fill the reservoirs across most parts of the UK, so perhaps one or two problems in the offing, with southern England seeing reservoir levels well below average at the moment because of the dry winter. We're going to need a lot of rain during the spring to really get those levels up. But another thing that's striking is just what contrast has been across the UK. Remember those floods in Carlisle during January? Well, northern Britain, as a result, seeing those reservoirs pretty close to capacity. It's been a big contrast from north to south through the course of the winter. It's also been a relatively mild winter, of course, although you wouldn't think so outside across the southeast of England. There's a bitter cold wind blowing in from the northeast, and it's been bringing a fair number of snow showers as well. We saw horrendous conditions across Kent earlier on this morning with some pretty heavy snow. Still some showers there, as you can see, and pushing down now towards Hampshire, across Sussex as well. Probably melting so as they pass by, with a little bit of sunshine coming through between. And some snow as well that ran across the Yorkshire Dales, affecting the hills of Wales now, giving a covering here. But that should all move away, I think, towards the southwest as we go through this afternoon, allowing brighter skies in across northern England, and quite a pleasant day for Northern Ireland as well, with light winds here and some sunshine, temperatures holding around about 6 degrees. But for most of us, it is a pretty chilly afternoon. It's going to be cold tonight, though, across England and Wales under clear skies. Perhaps one of the coldest nights of the winter for many of us. Temperatures dropping as low as -7, maybe even a little lower in one or two notorious frost hollows. So if you have got some plants that have been encouraged with the mild weather just recently, might be worth putting something over them tonight, because it really is going to be quite a sharp frost. Not quite such a sharp frost as you go further north into northern England, Northern Ireland, because here we're going to find cloud encroaching from the north as the night goes on. It'll be rain at lower levels, but some hill snow is certainly a possibility, I think, as this weather system begins to run in from the Atlantic as the night goes on, introducing slightly milder air for a time, but it won't last as it pushes away towards the south. Colder air tucks in behind once again, so it's always going to be a little bit tricky for the forecast, marginally in terms of rain, sleet or snow getting down to lower levels. But for Monday, I don't think we're going to see much in the way of snow except over the hills, but increasingly cloudy from the north as the day goes on, brighter skies hanging on in the southeast. Those temperatures still a little on the cold side, really. 4, 5, 6 degrees at best. By Tuesday, remember that weather system sitting down to the south of us. That could give some heavy rain for a time across southern England, so that'll be quite welcome. But with the colder air tucking in behind, it could turn a little bit wintry before it finally moves away. And certainly the colder air getting in soon enough to produce some wintry showers across northern parts of England, Northern Ireland, perhaps for the hills of Wales as well. By Wednesday, we do start to get that colder air coming in, a cold wind actually, particularly across Northern Ireland. So we will see snow showers over the hills, sleet and snow showers at times down to lower levels. The Pennines could get a reasonable covering out of that. By Thursday, well, we're left with that bitter cold wind across southeastern parts, giving some wintry showers still. Brighter skies following on behind, but then once again underneath those clear skies, a hard frost for England and Wales during Thursday night. Signs of a change, though, towards the end of the week. Milder air coming around the top of our high, toppling down across the UK, so something slightly milder, I think, for the end of the week. And that's your weather for the week ahead.